CAIRE Inc., a Chart Industries company, is the leading global manufacturer of therapeutic oxygen delivery equipment designed to enhance the lives of individuals with mild to severe respiratory conditions. Our portfolio of portable oxygen concentrators, stationary oxygen concentrators, and liquid oxygen systems allow patients to thrive whether they are traveling or at home.
Hey, my name is Andy Jessup and thank you for joining us today. We're going to be going over the basic operation for the AirSep Focus unit, which I have right here in front of me. First thing we're going to do is actually hook up the unit. So I'm going to first start by actually hooking up the unit with our AC/DC universal power supply, which I have here. If you ever get confused, this was the one that actually has the cord attached to it. Simply take the cord, find the arrow, and you're going to insert it on top of the unit, making sure this arrow is in line with this white dot, like so. So the next thing we're going to do is actually turn on the unit. You also want to make sure there's going to be a green light on your power supply. This tells me I'm actually getting power. Once I've verified this, it's okay to turn on the unit. You'll notice there's an on-off switch. Simply turn the switch to the on position like so. Once the unit's turned on, you'll hear an alarm, which is normal functionality. You'll also see lights blinking back and forth between the red and green light. Once the unit has a green light, the unit's ready to be operated. Once a breath is detected, then a pulse will come out of the barb fitting. So, now that the unit's actually on, we've noticed there's a green light, we can actually hook up our cannula to the barb fitting above. Simply take the female side, put on the male, and the unit's ready to be used. I'm going to also show you how to charge the battery at the same time, but first I'm going to turn off the unit. If you notice on the power supply, there's going to be an empty in. This side says DC out to battery. Inside of your bag, you'll find a cord like so that will not have an on-off switch. This cord is used to go from your power supply to the battery. Simply take one end of the cord, identify the white up arrow label, and you're going to insert it like so to where you can visibly see it on the power supply. This should also make a clicking noise. The other side will also have a white up arrow label. Simply take the white up arrow label and you're going to insert it in the battery. Luckily, we already have the battery inside of our carrying bag, so this will be simple. Take it to where you can see the up arrow label and you're going to insert it into the battery itself. Once your power supply has been connected to your battery, you'll notice that the battery is blinking in 25% increments. This tells me I'm getting power and the battery is actually charging. The only time this will not be blinking is once it's completely full, and then it'll just be completely illuminated like the bottom half is. Now that we have shown you how to hook up the unit to a AC power supply, let's go ahead and show you how to hook up the unit for portability use when you're out on the go. Simply disconnect, just as if you were to reconnect it. You're going to have another cord you're going to identify that's in your bag. So once you've found your power cable that has the on-off switch, we're going to connect that. Simply take the on-off switch, identify the up arrow label, and you're going to connect it, making sure to again align it with the white dot. And then you're going to take the other side, up arrow label, and you're going to connect it to the battery like so. Now that the unit is fully functioning, simply turn it on when you're ready to go and use it, like so. Once the lights have stopped blinking, the unit's ready to be used and you could be on your way. And there you have it, the AirSep Focus basic operation. Thanks for joining us. If you have any further questions, please contact us or visit us on our website. Until then, have a great day.